Hi everyone, Ryan here, Ion Capital Solutions. I'm here with Christopher Van Buren, and today we're going to walk you through how to do an email blast. Thanks so much for being here, Christopher.
Hey, thank you, Ryan. Pleasure to be here.
You got it, you got it. All right, so let's just jump right in. There are several different options available to you, both free and paid, that assist you in the automation of email blasting, right? Some of these options even include an actual series of follow-ups, right, that are scheduled so that you don't have to touch base with these clients. You just get them set up. They get, the system will reach out to them several times over, right, before putting them on the DNC. And anyway, there are free and there are paid. So Christopher, can you start us off with some free options here?
Yeah, so one of the great things that we have right at your disposal is right within your Google email suite. There's the ability to allow you to store your templates that we've already designed for you and store them into your Gmail suite. So when you are looking to send out your emails, literally you just pull up a template, you shoot out an email. When you add an additional extension called Streak, you now get the ability to do a mail merge. The free version of Streak will give you the capacity to do 50 emails per day through, via mail merge. So it's a low cost solution to get you out in the email blast, so this way you can get your appointments scheduled.
Absolutely. Thank you, Christopher. And it's right here for those of you, just streak.com. Go ahead and take a look. There's plenty of videos here and different walkthroughs and even a community to assist you with learning how to use all this stuff. So those of you who are Microsoft 365 users, right? Good to know that you can just simply use Microsoft Word and its mail merge campaign, as well as Outlook, and together you're able to do email blast that way, right, without having to spend any money. Now, keep in mind, though, that there are no follow-ups, right, whereas some of these other tools that are paid, for instance, yesware.com, gmass.co, okay, these have some features here that allow you to do those follow-ups, right? Not one does, one doesn't. I'm not sure which, to be honest, at the moment, but that's the case, right? So bottom line, you get what you pay for, kind of thing. There are free options, there are some paid options, but it will greatly assist you because automation is really everything. You need to be free to talk to your clients. If you're sitting there all day manually sending out each email, right, manually finding each person and whatever else, and then it's going to take you a lifetime and then some to do the work. You've got to be able to move quickly, and automation is everything. And you as business owners need to invest in yourselves, right? What's a couple bucks a month, ensuring that you're able to get it done really quick. So the role of automation, absolutely. And Christopher, being mature in your position here, am I correct in saying that you quickly become bogged down by a lot of clients or potential applicants who are interested? And how has the role of automation assisted you and your team in your success?
I mean, automation has been like the driving force for me. And it's the fact that, I spend 15, 45 minutes, doing my harvesting. And literally, I'm just uploading it one time. Once I set up my campaign, I'm uploading that data to my CRM and it's shooting out the messages. And so
Mhm.
I understand that people may not answer my first email, but if they see my third, fourth, sometimes fifth email, I get calls every day from people who I've started emailing a month ago because I didn't know they weren't ready then, but now my message resonates. Being able to set that automation sequence and process is going to save you a lot of time. It's going to allow you to fly through your day because at the end of the day, I really just want to be on the phone with people who want to book time with me. So that functionality of email, calendar booking application, and things of that nature. When you start putting these tools together, it's really going to help you scale your business to higher heights.
Absolutely. So the follow up, you would say, is sort of the magic sauce, right? That
It's always
follow
the
up, or
follow
even
up.
that
That's where the
automated
money's at.
follow up. That's where the money's at. You heard it right there, guys. That's where the money's at. It's all about the follow up. If you can automate that follow up, right, and have something that is reaching out to your clients several times to ensure that you connect, all while you're working with your existing clients or on the next thing, this is the way. This is the way. Anyway, we will be releasing videos shortly of case studies on each of these platforms, exactly how to set them up. Not to worry. This is just a basic overview. Christopher, thank you so much for being with us today, and we will catch everybody in the next video.
See everybody soon.